I'm super excited to share with you my thoughts on the Sony ZV-E10. This camera kit is a total game changer for content creators and vloggers. It's perfect for those who want to take their content to the next level. The Sony ZV-E10 is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to upgrade their camera. It's a Sony camera kit designed specifically for content creators and vloggers, packed with features that make it easy to capture high-quality video and photos. The kit includes everything you need to get started, from the camera body to the lens and memory card. It's a great option for those who want a reliable and easy-to-use camera. So let's break down the specs of this amazing camera. It's got an APS-C sensor, which provides excellent image quality and sensitivity. The 16 to 50 mm lens is perfect for capturing wide-angle shots and zooming in on your subject. It can shoot in 4K resolution, which is incredible for a camera in this price range. The 64GB memory card is a great starting point, and you can always add more storage as needed. The vari-angle touchscreen is super handy for framing your shots and navigating the menu. And the directional microphone is designed to pick up your voice clearly, even in noisy environments. All these features combined make it a powerful tool for creating high-quality content. In real-world use, the Sony ZV-E10 performs amazingly well. I've used it to record videos and take photos, and the results are stunning. The autofocus is fast and accurate, and the image stabilization helps to reduce camera shake. I've also been impressed with the camera's low-light performance, which is often a challenge for content creators. The Sony ZV-E10 handles low-light situations with ease, producing crisp and clear images even in dimly lit environments. Additionally, the camera's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to take on the go, perfect for capturing spontaneous moments or traveling to new locations. The Sony ZV-E10 is also equipped with advanced features such as slow-motion video, time-lapse, and interval shooting, which can add a creative touch to your content. The camera's built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity make it easy to transfer files and share your work on social media. And with the Sony Imaging Edge mobile app, you can control the camera remotely, making it easy to capture photos and videos from unique perspectives. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Sony ZV-E10. I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. It's a great camera for anyone looking to upgrade their content creation game. The features, image quality, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your content to the next level, the Sony ZV-E10 is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more content creation tips and gear reviews. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on my latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.